Hey guys, in this video we're diving into something that might seem small, but is actually super important when writing Java code, mixing different data types in arithmetic operations. So let's get started. Okay, so I want you to start by opening IntelliJ, creating a new project called 05 Mixing Types, create a class, and write the main method inside. Initialize a variable called a of type int and assign it a value of 2. Create another one of type double and assign it a value of 3.5. And I want you to finally create a double result equals to a times b. Let's print the result. Okay, so here a is an int and b is a double. When we multiply them, Java automatically promotes the int to a double before performing the calculation. This is because remember that the int is 32 bits, the double is 64 bits. This is called the implicit type promotion. Okay, so it's important to understand that a changes to double during the calculation itself. It gets promoted right before the calculation is done. But the variable a itself is still storing an integer, which is 2. Okay, so let's try to run this. Okay, as you can see here, the result is 7.0. Okay, so I want you guys to change this 3.5 to 3.4. Let's run this first. Okay, so the result is 6.8, right? Let's go ahead and change this double result to an int. We get a compilation error instantly because we're trying to store the value of a double because we're multiplying here a double by an int. So the provided type is a double. We're trying to store it in a variable of type int. So there is a solution to this. We can typecast this to int, and this means that we're forcing it to be 32 bits. So basically we're telling Java, I know I lose the decimal part, so instead of printing out 6.8, running this will print out 6. Here it is. Okay guys, so this is our third and final example. I want you to initialize a variable x of type int and assign it a value of 7. Initialize another variable y, make it of type int, and assign it a value of 2. Now I want you to add two print statements. One just x over y, and the other one, I want you to just typecast this to double. So in this case, we're typecasting x to double, and then we're dividing this by y. So let's see how different the results are going to be. Let's run this. Okay, so x over y is 3, and x typecasted to double over y is 3.5. Because when both numbers are integers, Java performs integer division, meaning it throws away the remainder. So 7 over 2 gives 3 in this case. But when I cast just one number to double, like I did in the case of x, the result is 3.5. This is why it's often the case that we use casting in division, specifically when we have two variables and they are both int. So I hope this video wasn't overwhelming. In the next video, we'll talk about something else, a new data type, specifically char. It's not a number, or is it? You'll see how characters in Java have a hidden numeric side too. See you there.